Hello, my name is Patricia Holmes, and I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on this film strip assignment. I thought it would be fun uh, and show you also areas of Photoshop that we haven't quite used. Okay, so what I did is I have Photoshop open here, and I created uh, a new file, and I put a white background here. I'm going to come over here, if you can see my mouse to the left. If you find the rectangle tool, you'll see down here at the bottom custom shape tool option. Click that. Then come up here to the very top of the screen where it says shape. Click the arrow. And if you don't see all of these options, this is what I want to show you. There's an icon right here. Click the little gear icon and make sure you click the word all right here and it will show them. Okay, so now what we're going to do is right here, which is the fifth row, third in, is the film clip icon. I clicked it. Now I'm going to come over here to the stage. I'm going to take my mouse, I'm going to hold it, I'm going to drag it out, and you can clearly see me moving my mouse. I'm going to find a size that I like. I'm going to set it here. Next, I already got 4 photos of Teslas. One is my memory, so I'm going to hit Command Victor, which is going to be pasting. I'm going to paste this, so I previously put this in my memory. I'm going to hit Command T for free transform. And I'm going to move this photo around, get it here into one of these squares. Maybe add some text underneath it that says Tesla. This is the S model. And you can continue to do this throughout. So what you want to do here is add your 4 images, flatten everything, and then you can have a lot of fun with it after you flatten it by following the instructions on a bit of a reflection. Finally, what I would like you to do is in the bottom part or the top part of this assignment, add a little text to these are Tesla car companies based in Fremont, a little bit of information about the Tesla car company. Okay, anyway, I wanted to just show you how you get going on this assignment, but please, there's a lot more to this assignment once you get rolling, and you can find that information on the instructions. Thanks for listening.